Hi, friends! Today we're going for a walk in the city with Jesus and our friends Mia and Sam. Look all around, because we're going to find letters hiding everywhere.
Let's go, friends. Keep your eyes open.
Wow, look! Do you hear that siren? It's a big red and white truck zooming by to help people. That's an ambulance. Ambulance. A is for ambulance.
Good eye, friends. A is for ambulance.
Look who's coming down the street. A great big yellow bus full of happy kids going to school. Bus. B is for bus. Can you say it with me? Bus.
That's right. B is for bus.
Beep, beep. Here comes a shiny little car driving by. It has 4 wheels and a honking horn. Car. C is for car. Nice job spotting it.
Wonderful. C is for car.
Now let's walk up to this pretty blue door. We knock, 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 and it opens wide. Door. D is for door. You're doing so well.
Yay! D is for door.
Look over there at the big dig site. A huge yellow excavator is slowly scooping up dirt with its giant arm. Excavator. E is for excavator.
Wow, so strong. E is for excavator.
Woo woo! Here comes a bright red fire truck rolling down the street to help. It has a big, long ladder on top. Fire truck. F is for fire truck.
Great spotting. F is for fire truck.
Here comes a friendly green garbage truck, beeping as it slowly picks up the bins. It keeps our city nice and clean. Good garbage truck. G is for garbage truck.
Nice job. G is for garbage truck.
Look at this cozy little house with a red roof and big round windows. This is where a family lives. House. H is for house.
So cozy. H is for house.
Ding ding! Here comes a happy ice cream truck playing music. Ice cream truck. I is for ice cream truck.
Yummy. I is for ice cream truck.
Listen to that loud rat-a-tat-tat. A strong jackhammer is breaking the street. Jackhammer. J is for jackhammer.
So loud. J is for jackhammer.
Look up in the sky. A colorful kite is dancing in the wind. Kite. K is for kite.
So pretty. K is for kite.
See that tall light shining on the sidewalk? It's a lamppost. Lamppost. L is for lamppost.
So bright. L is for lamppost.
Let's pop a letter inside this little blue box. It's a mailbox. Mailbox. M is for mailbox.
Great job. M is for mailbox.
Look, someone is reading a newspaper full of stories. Newspaper. N is for newspaper.
Wonderful. N is for newspaper.
Look at this juicy orange at the fruit stand. Orange. O is for orange.
Yummy. O is for orange.
Cuckoo. A fluffy gray pigeon is hopping on the sidewalk. Pigeon. P is for pigeon.
Hello, birdie. P is for pigeon.
Look at all the people waiting in a line. That's a queue. Q. Q is for queue.
Nice waiting. Q is for queue.
Look at the long gray road cars drive on every day. Road. R is for road.
Great eyes. R is for road.
Look at that bright red sign telling cars to stop. S, stop sign. S is for stop sign.
Safe and smart. S is for stop sign.
Honk, honk! Here comes a shiny yellow taxi zooming by. Taxi. T is for taxi.
Zoom, zoom. T is for taxi.
Pitter patter. Let's open our umbrella in the rain. Umbrella. U is for umbrella.
Nice and dry. U is for umbrella.
Look at that big white van driving down the street. Van. V is for van.
Great spotting. V is for van.
Peekaboo! Look through the shiny window of this house. Window. W is for window.
I see you. W is for window.
Look at the hospital sign that says X-ray. X, X-ray. X is for X-ray.
So cool. X is for X-ray.
Look at the bright yellow crosswalk painted on the road. Yellow crosswalk. Y is for yellow crosswalk.
Safe steps. Y is for yellow crosswalk.
Look at the black and white stripes on the road. That's a zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Z is for zebra crossing.
Hooray! Z is for zebra crossing.
Let's say them all together. A, ambulance. B, bus. C, car. D, door. E, excavator. F, fire truck. G, garbage truck. H, house. I, ice cream truck. J, jackhammer. K, kite. L, lamppost. M, mailbox. N, newspaper. O, orange. P, pigeon. Q, R, road. S, stop sign. T, taxi. U, umbrella. V, van. W, window. X, X-ray. Y, yellow crosswalk. And Z, zebra crossing. You did it, friends!
Keep looking for letters everywhere you go.
Wave bye-bye to Jesus, Mia, and Sam. See you next time, friends!